They made me custom chocolate. Oh,
Made this day a special day.
I broke the glasses. No.
This way? Oh my Jesus.
They made me custom chocolate.
We can be present to the moment. That's what's important.
Hello. So right now I am in the Boulevard Penthouse, which is the Cosmopolitan's best room in the whole entire Cosmopolitan Hotel and Casino. It's $15,000 per night to stay here. If you're not a video creator named Pompsie, who was treated very badly last time he was here. So for those who don't know, to make a long story short, last time I was here, I tried to make a video and the Cosmo's security team kicked me out for having a camera. They permanently banned me from the Cosmopolitan and they refused to give me my money back. I made a video telling that story and it went super viral. And fast forward 6 months later, the Cosmopolitan finally reached out to me. Their president personally called me. He apologized and he also invited me back. He wanted to make things right. So he gave me this room to experience for the night completely for free. So without further ado, let's show you this room. Let's go.
And say something right. And say something right.
So when I first arrived, I was told to go to the VIP check-in, and that's where I met Marcus, the vice president. So just a few things about the room and what he told me. He told me that there's a handful of similar penthouses on this floor, the 70th floor. This one specifically is the best of them all. There are 2 bedrooms in this place, both full bathrooms and everything, like a tub and all that stuff inside of them, everything you need. The room comes with an on-call butler. Tommy, my cousin, who's in the background right now, he counted up over 40 seats, including 2 giant couches. So you can easily seat like 50 different people in here. You can throw a giant party in here. There's a full kitchen. There's numerous little tablets that control the audio and the visuals, the TVs and stuff like that. There's that fireplace behind me. There's the pool table. And then there's also a massage table where you can just call up a masseuse to come up and give you a massage. And then another thing he told me is that the toiletries provided in this suite are designer, high quality brands and stuff like that. And he said there are over $400 worth of them that they just give you when you're staying here.
And say something right.
All right, we're about to go get some lunch.
What'd you get?
Chicken sandwich.
That's what I got.
First impressions.
Greta! I was gonna say, Greta's in the vlog. I almost got lost. It's so fancy. I love it. I wish we could live here forever.
And everyone, this is Jasmine. Wait, have you been in the vlog?
It's my bestie, Jasmine.
I don't think so.
This is Jasmine, our roommate and friend.
Hi.
What do you think about this place?
You know in the cartoons when the eyes get big and the mouth drop?
Yeah.
That's exactly how I felt.
Okay, so we have dinner reservations at a restaurant here called STK at 8 o'clock, and Marcus was nice enough to comp us the meal. I'm looking out lately. I'm very excited, very happy. Also, check out this blanket. This is nice. Guys, look at this blanket.
Hello. Oh my god, I look crazy. Wait, hold on. Let's redo it. Hello.
All right, we're at STK. It's pretty cool in here. I like it. You like it?
It's so nice. This is actually really good. I think it's corn pudding.
Can you stop?
He's like, can you please stop?
Hey vlog, what's up guys?
Stroke just went viral.
Put a baby in a spiral. Oh, it's good.
What is it?
It literally tastes like alcoholic coffee. Something.
Oh, yeah.
It's over.
All right, so we just got back to the room. We had an amazing dinner at STK, which was fully comped thanks to Marcus and the Cosmo. So they didn't even give us a menu. They just kind of asked us if we had any allergies or anything they should know of, like if we disliked anything particularly. And they just brought us a ton of different food, appetizers, different entrees, and it was kind of like family style sharing. The food was just incredible. They had a really good ambiance. They were playing a lot of like really cool music, like hip hop and rock music and all sorts of different cool music, like really upbeat music though. And we're back now. We're about to go in the hot tub now though. Ready?
Is it hot tub time?
It's hot tub time.
What's that? Salt?
Yeah, it's like special salt.
Looks like-
There's a loofah.
Looks like a cool.
It's a loofah.
Options.
Oh my god!
Oh!
It's coming from the ceiling!
So, I think we're gonna call it a night for the most part. Yeah, I'm looking forward to waking up tomorrow and continuing though, for sure. All right, so we woke up this morning to a butler giving us breakfast. So, courtesy of Egg Slut, which is a restaurant here. So we got an egg sandwich here, some bread, and inside here is an egg mixture with some, I think you're supposed to dip the bread in like that. Dip it in.
Hello.
We're unboxing a Cosmo present to Pompsie. Oh, we got some hats. Mr. Pomparelli, thank you for the second chance. Looking forward to welcoming you back again soon. Best, Marcus. This is sweet. Oh, they got the beanie.
You got a beanie.
Cosmo
That's a good-
beanie. See,
good
this,
beanie.
they know me. That was my Cosmo beanie look. Honestly, I like it. So there's honestly a lot of things that I just didn't get to show you yesterday. Like this. Also, they got this chocolate, bedside chocolate, one on my side and one on Greta's side. It is churros and horchata. Horchata, white chocolate.
Greta, let's go. You want to steam?
Steam.
It's steam time. Come on.
The shower was incredible. I think there was 8 different shower heads hitting you from all different angles. There's a touch panel where you can adjust the light on top. There's like an LED panel on top, and then you can also adjust to the exact degree that you want the water to be. That was the best shower experience I've ever had, and nothing has come close, to be completely honest.
Okay, so we're about to leave to go to an aquarium, but I quickly wanted to just talk about a few things. Number one being that there's a lot of different books throughout this beautiful penthouse. There's one here. This one looks strictly like images. We got another one here. Just interesting portraits in this one. Another one here. 2 more here. Another one here. Here, 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 here.
So the Cosmo was nice enough to let me stay here, I think pretty much till whenever I want today, to be honest, but I told them 12 because I had some plans. They insisted I stay till 2 to enjoy the room to its full potential, but now it's about 12. We're going to the aquarium experience at the Mandalay Bay. So we're gonna do that, hopefully pop back here in an hour, have some more fun at the Cosmo.
Clouds. Books in the elevator. Books. Books. Look, more books. So at the front entrance, they have these big video wall pillars. And look, more books.
They sometimes show those books, but at other times, I think it's rotating a video loop at different things, I don't know.
Mandalay Bay. Shark Reef is down there. There's the sign.
Here we go. We're going to the Shark Reef. Looking forward to it. It's my first time for sure. Okay, we just walked inside. First thing we're seeing immediately is a croc. Right there. Inches from my finger right now. Inches.
I think he's sleeping. This one's huge. Hello. He's looking at me.
I'll tell you one thing for sure. This is the closest I'll ever come to these type of creatures. I would never ever go scuba diving. All right, we're heading into the big shark tank section with giant sharks back there.
I don't like this.
You don't like this?
I
Why?
don't like this at all. It's my biggest fear.
Oh my god, look at his nose.
You're gonna need a bigger boat.
Oh, there's a huge turtle too. Wow, up there. See it? That was neat. I definitely recommend you going. What do you think, Greta?
I don't like fish.
She liked it. Don't listen to her. Tommy, you like it?
Of course I like that. Was amazing, man.
So, We have about 9 minutes left. We have to pack up so much stuff. It's a complete mess in here right now. But I just wanted to wrap up some thoughts. The last 24 hours or so have easily been one of the most exciting and fun times I've ever had in life, but also in Vegas. Just this room, this casino and hotel, and obviously this unique case, you know, getting kind of pampered and being apologized to from a big corporation. It's really just brought up a lot of emotions, and it's made my experience really unique for sure. And I'm very grateful. I'm happy that we're able to just connect, me and the Cosmo, me and Marcus, let bygones be bygones and start off fresh. They just went a whole mile for me to make things right. What I can say is that they did update their policy on filming and their security measures and things like that. I'm happy that I played a small part in that to help out everyone in the future. So I think overall, what happened with me and the Cosmo is all for good. If you guys do come to Vegas, I hope you will give Cosmo a try if you can. It's very expensive here, I will say that. The restaurants and everything here is pretty expensive. If you're looking to splurge and you really want an amazing place, Cosmo is one of the top for sure. There's no doubt. I'm gonna leave it at that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please help me out with a like. Send it to a friend if you liked it. That would help me out too. And yeah, have a really good day. If you didn't like this video, definitely check out another one because I got a bunch of good ones. And thanks again, Cosmo.
All right. Goodbye, room forever. Hopefully not.
Myself.